Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, I brought Josh with me as a special guest. And today we're doing paintball picks my makeup, or paintball chooses my makeup. You know, I've never really played paintball before, so I don't really know how this is going to go. But hopefully it goes well. We're gonna see who wins. The one to put the most makeup on loses the game. I probably will win because Josh can't play paintball. I'm using foundation because he's hiding and he don't know where I'm at. So if I use the brown foundation, which I'm kind of scared because this is looking real botch, honey. I got my palette. So hopefully by the time this is over, honey, I'm gonna come out looking glam.
Daddy, where are you?
I don't see him anywhere, Sonomi. Where is he?
She is right there. I played a lot of paintball for like 5-6 years.
Points for me.
So apparently he got me
0 for her.
Nomi is calling me a marshmallow, talking about I got chocolate dipping. Never played paintball, so it hurts. It hurts. Gotta get daddy, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Do you want this? Do you like this? You love mommy stuff, don't you? You're gonna stand in the middle by the rocks right here. You see right here? Look at right, all those rocks. You're gonna stand in the middle and you're gonna say, Daddy, help me, help me. Screaming, right? And mommy's gonna hide behind the tree. Mommy's gonna hide behind the tree over there, okay? Okay, here. Scream, Sonomi.
Yeah, I taught my daughter well.
Crap. Sonomi, are you okay? What's wrong?
I fell.
You okay?
Hey, John. What'd mommy give you?
Nothing.
You betrayed your daddy. Really? To me, this is very, very weird. I refuse to look like a clown, like what you've been looking at for the past several weeks. So, as I'm looking for Shundara, I ended up coming across this. In a higher altitude like this, I think this is a wolf spider. They're very hairy like this. They look like a tarantula, but they're not. So I gotta push right over here. She's back over here.
Me and my trusty partner here found these rocks to hide from Josh. Y'all sorry, no, my other glass is broke. Josh is cheating. Y'all see how he cheat? He cheats like this in everything. What, this lipstick looks cute on me.
It was on the lips.
I gotta reload. I gotta reload quick.
Josh is shooting at us. This is ghetto. This is ghetto.
I cannot trust my family right now. My daughter already betrayed me. My wife might be betraying me again.
Tell him it's lunchtime. Shh, be quiet. Hungry. Let's get something to eat, please. Yeah, I'm hungry.
What? Ow! I'm not putting no bright color green. I'm going camo green. Nice gob of it right there. But this is a better proposition than that you got there from mommy, okay?
What?
I have 2 suckers. I want you to start saying, Mommy, where are you? As loud as you can, okay?
Mommy, where are you?
Oh. Honestly, I don't have a clue what color he shot me with, so I would just put red on my eyebrows. Oh, that's kind of cute, ain't it? I just realized my child sold me out for 2 lollipops. Backstabbing child. You can't trust her. You just can't. Yeah, we can't trust you. You sold me out for lollipops. Look at you. Something happened to the paintball gun. It's not working. Momo!
Is it the same one? So I'm gonna put some brown right here on my nose. Don't ever say anything about me being a brown noser, people. Don't do it. This is what people do when they go camping. Gotta load up again.
I knew this was gonna come in handy. I knew. Throws! Throws!
She's down, she's down. Double barrel.
There you want it.
White flag! White flag! White flag!
Ow!
Good girl, good girl.
Hey,
Come here,
hey,
Tsunami!
I gave you 2 seconds. Call off your guard, toddler, if you want to surrender.
So, okay, so Tsunami, stop! Tsunami, come here! Come here! Tsunami! Mommy got a present for you!
Ow!
Good girl, good girl.
Picture.
Good girl.
You surrender.
Yes! So I would have killed you if you shot me. I would have killed you. I would have killed him if he shot me. Oh my God, you I'm done with that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you watch some more of my other videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. I'm not paintballing ever again, y'all. Bye.
Here you are. Ah, what the? Actually, that didn't even hurt.
It didn't?
No.
Did that hurt?
Yes!
Oh my God, I'm scared. Please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me. Shoot me with your shotgun. I'll give you $1. Oh my God!
Body through. I told you, no knees!
I'm not getting shot.